Welcome to the tech sector. Today we are talking about mining and specifically whether or not you should get into mining now in May 2018. So as you guys can see, I do have quite a large setup here, and I do have the infamous window mining PC. Although it's shut down, I'm doing some maintenance on it right now. The world of mining is crazy right now, and I want to talk about it in this video. By the way, I want to apologize to all my subscribers. I've not been posting in a while, and that's because I've been working on all my cars. I'm trying to get them ready for the summer season, and I've been really busy doing that. So I apologize, but don't worry, I will be doing this giveaway soon to make up for that. So once again, I do just want to apologize to all my loyal subs. I know you guys want to see more content, and I will be bringing it back to you. It's just that, like I said, I've just been crunch time trying to get my cars together for the summer season, and that's pretty much what I spend all my crypto earnings. I pretty much spending on my cars, which is a R32 Skyline and an 87 Firebird. So if you guys want to see videos and pictures and stuff like that, let me know. I'd be more than willing to start an Instagram and YouTube and stuff like that for the cars. By the way, I do all the work by myself. That's enough of that. Straight back into crypto. So the main question: should you get into mining in May 2018? It's right now May 9th, 2018, and the short answer is yes. The reason why is because the market's going up. It is going up. So I'm gonna do a mining farm profitability video soon, so you guys can really see the breakdown of how much more I'm making. But let's just go over some really quick numbers. Let's go on the I actually do have quite a lot of Bitcoin private coins, so I'm really happy about that. But my farm is just about 10,000 hash, uses about 2,500 watts in electricity. And let's look at our quick numbers. About 1,050 in profit. Last month, let's look at our last month numbers. $745. So on April 19th, so 3 weeks ago, as you can see, this is the same exact document. If you guys want, you could go back and watch that video. I'll put a link in the description too. I was making $745 a month, just about. And now we're making $1,050 a month, so that's a $300 gain. The market's going up. Great time to continue mining or get into mining if you're into this stuff. There's a few pieces of news that I guess I should tell you guys about, and that is, number one, Nvidia is releasing a new generation of cards, which is the 11 series GPU, and I recommend holding out for that. Instead of dropping 10 grand on a setup like what I have here, it'll be more profitable for you, especially in the long run, to wait a month or two to get the newer generation of cards, because generally speaking, Nvidia cards are about 20 to 50% better every generation. And I know personally because I've seen it with each generation. I've been buying Nvidia GPUs ever since the 7 series cards. So I had 780s, I had 980s, and I have 1080s. So I've seen each generation, and the improvement each generation is absolutely ridiculous. So as efficient as these cards are, the next generation will be even more efficient and will hash way better. I have no doubt about that. The other important thing is that if you're into Equihash, Bitmain just now dropped the Antminer for you guys. So the Z9 Mini, it's shipping on June 20th to the 30th. So for anyone on the Equihash coins that are really into Equihash, now is the time to mine it. You need to put all your machines on it now, whether it's profitable or not, because guess what? Once these ASICs are dropping, the profitability rate on Equihash coins is going to be a lot lower. So this does 10,000 SOL at only 300 watts. Mind blown. My entire farm is 10,000 SOL. This entire rack is 10,000 SOL, and it does 2,500 watts. That uses 2,500 watts. This thing does the same amount of SOL as that entire rack, but at only 300 watts, and it's one small unit. So I can definitely see a lot of people going out and buying these things, especially since it's so cheap. It's only 2 grand. That is dirt cheap. My entire rack there, that's $10,000 worth of GPUs. This is 2 grand. And I've actually had a lot of people giving me shit for building my setup as if this existed back in the day when I built this. I built this thing over 8-9 months ago, and people are now giving me shit. They're like, oh, well, why did you build this? Come on, GH4. The GH4 is the absolute worst. Anyways, what was I saying? Yes, people are giving me shit right now because they're like, you should not have built this. You should have bought a Z9. And I'm like, guy, go back and watch my videos. I've had this thing for months, and it's made me a ton of money. It's paid itself off, and it's making me money every month, and that's how come I can afford to upgrade my Skyline. So yeah, still a great time to get into mining. I know this is a very short video compared to what I normally do, and I will be posting a profitability video that has broken down numbers, kind of like what you see here. I love to do those, so I will be doing that very shortly, but I just wanted to post something so there's something there. I'm not disappointing all you guys, and just a quick update video that yes, if you wanted to get into mining, do it. If you're into trading, now that's a great way to make money too. If you want to learn more about the crypto world and you have time to spare, trading is a great thing to do, and I know a lot of people that make quite a lot of money on that, especially since they started off with $200-$300 and they're now trading thousands of dollars of crypto every day. If you just want something that you could set it and forget it, easy, fast, easy to simple to set up, a mining rig is still the way to go. You just build it, program it, throw in whatever nice hash, whatever it is, or Bitcoin. I'm mining Bitcoin private right now actually, and that's it. You just leave it, and at the end of the month or every week or however you do it, you cash out your money and you're good to go. So that's it for now. Like I said, I'm spending a lot of time on my car stuff, so I do apologize, but I will be coming out with the profitability video of my entire mining farm really soon, and I am going to be doing some budget stuff. I've got a friend's PC over there that I will be upgrading soon. Why does the GH4 go out of focus so often? God damn it. Alright, the GH4 has terrible autofocus. Anyways, yes, mining is still profitable. Don't worry about it, guys. It's not going away anytime soon. If you're going out and building massive rigs like this, I don't recommend that because it takes so long to pay it off. But what I do recommend is holding out for the 11 series GPU, buying one here and there, slowly piecing a system together, and just making some nice side cash money. It really does come in handy. It paid for my car, and it's paying for all the modifications that are going into it, so I can't complain at all. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and the mining profitability video for my farm will be posted within a week or less. I can guarantee you that. I'll see you guys in the next one.